Angela Bassett moves through her days with a discipline that blends globe-trotting with quiet home rituals, starting before dawn with a sketchbook and a cup of chamomile while her children sleep. Her secret to staying luminous on screen lies in meticulous character research, including visiting communities she portrays and collecting tiny objects that anchor a role. Off-camera, she mentors young actors, funds scholarships, and curates a library of memoirs that remind her the struggle is part of the story. An early career setback taught her to pivot gracefully, turning rejection into wiser choices. These habits forge steadfast honesty,